What's going on, everyone? Welcome once again to MATTIE Zone. For today, we are going to review this statue, and it's the Voltez 5. Okay, and you can separate the parts and combine them, and I will show that to you later on. It's 16 inches tall from the feet up to the head, the top of the head, and I bought this one in the Philippines last year. So I bought it at 3,500 Philippine peso, and in Canadian dollars it's around 90 bucks or $90. So one of my favorite, I collect this Voltez 5. It never gets old. And yes, just follow me now and we'll review this Voltez 5. So this is now how it looks like when I bought it. Of course, the seller wrapped it with bubble wrap, so it's not gonna be broken, because it's gonna be traveling from Philippines to Canada. Okay, so it comes with 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. Right, and by the way, it's made of plastic vinyl. So there you go. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to combine, okay, to put the parts all together to form Voltez 5. So this is the figure now. As you can see, it's very this part here is a little bit loose, but no issues about it. And the paint job, it's not so bad. As you can see, it's a statue, so put the parts all together and you will form Voltez 5. And this is his face, and it's heavy, by the way. It's almost 4 pounds, or in kilograms that's almost 4 kilos. So this one here are sculpted nice, really nice. And again, it's a statue. The sword is a little bit heavy. This one here, the sword, I put it in the in my luggage, sorry, because it's sharp, so just for safety. Okay, so there you go. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to share with you this price piece that I bought from the Philippines, and it's a 16-inch statue, a little bit heavy, almost 4 pounds, and this is gonna stay in my toy shelf. And let me guys know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you have not yet. Hit that notification bell so you will get updated in our next coming videos. Okay, so like I always say, keep searching and keep collecting. Thank you for watching. Bye.